The meditation begins by focusing the mind on an object. The conscious attention on an object is maintained by vocal sound, silent contemplation, and visualization. The basic question that comes to mind is, what object to focus upon? Most people prefer to meditate on the God of their religious belief. However, some believe that gods are to be worshipped, not meditate upon. So, instead, religious symbols and words are used. Various religions and cultures suggest different objects to meditate upon. Hindu scriptures point to a number of specific objects. It may be flame of a burning oil lamp or a lotus flower, and the simplest one is to focus on your own breath. The other one is to focus on sound of Om by chanting it and visualizing its symbol. There are also other sounds called mantra that provide specific benefits one wants to have. Mantra is a sound that reverberates. It can be a word or a phrase. There is a universal mantra, Tat Tvam Asi, on which one can meditate. The meaning of these words is that thou art. One can recite it with sound and have a silent contemplation with deep concentration on its meaning. There is also a tradition of imparting secret individualized mantra by a guru to his disciple in his ear, which he has to use for meditation. Some texts recommend meditation on the energy centers of the body. However, only the heart and centers above it are recommended. Lower centers should only be used in specific cases. The heart center is considered to be best for meditation. The religious scripture Gita tells one to concentrate his attention in between the eyebrows. In Kundalini Yoga, energy centers balancing is done by meditating on all the 7 centers one after other. The Buddhists have different ways of meditation. Egoless state is the attainment of Buddhahood. The absence of struggle is the essence of meditation. So, mind should not be controlled, nor forced, nor let it wander. The outcome is mindfulness. In another form of meditation called Vipassana meditation, the object of attention is physical sensation. Similarly, there is also a technique where meditation is on one's emotions. And in a totally different Buddhist tradition that is the realm of Tantra, the mandalas are used for meditation. In Zen Buddhism, Zazen is a religious practice, literally means seated meditation. There are 2 methods, the Koan method and the other is silent illumination. A koan is a paradoxical story or dialogue. A koan is put by the teacher and the inquiry begins. Students do not think about them, nor do they try to figure out. They simply meditate upon koan day in and day out, till intuition and insight arises. In silent illumination method, also called just sitting, the practitioner observes their thoughts and emotions as and when they arise, but never engage with it. The stage is reached where they are not aware of anything except sitting. The Taoist meditation aims at generation, transformation, and circulation of internal energy. This type of meditation is not merely contemplative, it consists of breath control and body movement. Taoist and Buddhist teachers often instruct their students to center the mind in the navel or lower dantian, also called hara. This is believed to aid control of thoughts and emotions. For most people, especially for a beginner, meditating on any one object of his or her own liking is sufficient. Any object in the universe can be chosen. More meaningful the object is, better the result.